What if I told you the biggest secret to winning every pickleball tournament that doesn't involve hours of grueling training? And what if that secret literally fits in the palm of your hand without even needing to hold them? Well, today you're gonna learn about these babies and how the color enhancing lens technology can really level up your game. Hey everyone, welcome back to the Fuse channel. I'm Eric, and this is the destination on YouTube for all things optical, sunglasses, and lens technology. And today is also the destination for pickleball lovers, because not only are we sunglasses and lens tech experts, but we're also pickleball experts. All right, clearly not, but we do love it. And you can't say we didn't try, right? All right. Before I talk about the best kept secret for pickleball, you gotta understand what makes a good pickleball player, aside from just loving the sport. To be a great pickleball player, you need good form, a strong grip, and know how to keep your eye on the ball. When you're on the court, you wanna stay down low and get below the ball by bending your knees. Your grip should also be solid, like you're reaching out for a handshake. And the better you can keep track of where the ball is at all times, the easier it'll be to get accurate shots and take down your opponent. But if you want your form, your grip, and awareness to work together and actually pay off, you need to have good eyesight and a speedy reaction time so you can be quick to the ball. So let's talk about the incredible secret that'll take your playing up a notch or two, or at least make you look cooler than the other team. That secret is color enhancing sunglasses. Color enhancing lenses are relatively new in the sunglasses and lens tech world. You may also hear the words color pop, color contrast, high contrast, or HD lenses, but really, they're all just words for color enhancing. They can significantly improve reaction times by increasing visual color discrimination, aka they help you see the difference between multiple color ranges. So these lenses are a tool that increase color intensity and contrast so you can see a wider range of colors. A recent study showed that increased contrast of reds and yellows reduces reaction time by at least 100 milliseconds. That means you'll see a target flying at 30 miles per hour 5 feet sooner. And since color enhancing lenses increase the contrast between all colors rather than just yellow or red, reaction time is likely to be even shorter. Since they help you distinguish colors better, they also increase your depth of field, aka seeing the distance between objects. Plus, since you see a wider range within the color spectrum, you also notice small details better, like a ball from someone else's court flying at you and bonking you on the head, or where your opponent is looking if they're trying to fake you out. Plus, they make you look cool, and it might even intimidate the people you're playing against. I mean, looking cool isn't cheating, right? So if you want to learn more about the science of color enhancing lenses, check out these videos linked below, or head over to our color enhancing playlist. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell so you don't miss any upcoming videos. And on a personal note, I'm pretty sure that these lenses are what helped me beat Ivan in our company tournament.
It's true.
Since color enhancing lenses are pretty new on the market, there aren't a ton of brands offering them right now. But luckily for you, Fuse Lenses does. Meet the Fuse Amp line of HD color enhancing lenses. Now, we've barely been able to keep these in stock lately because they're affordable and can be custom fitted to any sunglasses frame. But if you need new frames, choose one of our frames and customize your Fuse Amp lenses. A pair of our patented Fuse Amp color enhancing lenses start at $59. They're polarized, anti-reflective, and come in 4 different tints. And spoiler alert, more colors are coming soon, with one amp lens specifically designed for accuracy sports like pickleball. Each one is designed for crisp and vibrant color, fine-tuned performance, and all-day eye comfort. Comment below if you're gonna pick up your own pair. So our AI patented technology provides 4 times more color enhancement than the competition. You can learn about how we stack up with other brands in this video. But for a quick overview, Oakley also offers color enhancing lenses called Oakley Prism. They're pretty pricey and only some of their models are polarized. And Costa Del Mar also has their 580 color enhancing line, which are all polarized, but they cut down on yellows, so they're not the best for seeing the yellow pickleball on the court. Plus, they don't offer lens replacements. So you have to spend at least $167 on an entirely new pair of sunglasses. Now, I touched on this earlier, but something that really sets Fuse apart is that all of our lenses can be customized to your specific frames. So if you have frames you love, there's no need to buy another pair, or you can just swap out your lenses for different occasions. We cut lenses for thousands of frame styles across hundreds of brands. And if you don't see your model on our list, you can just send them to us and we'll create your custom shape for you. But if you'd rather get your HD lenses in a new pair of frames, you can choose from any of the stylish or sporty frame styles on our website. So If you want to start winning more pickleball games and impressing your friends, or like me, your colleagues, head to fuselenses.com/YouTube and start customizing your own color enhancing lenses. If you have any questions, leave a comment below and we'll get right back to you. So, if you feel ready to get out to the pickleball court and kick everyone to the curb with your new shades, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and turn on notifications. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next video.